How to use Google Docs add-ons. First of all, open a Google Docs document where you want to use add-ons. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner and select Add-ons from the drop-down menu. Then, tap on Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Browse or search for the add-ons you want to install. There are many options available, like tools for grammar checking, citation management, diagram creation, and more. Once you find the add-on you want, tap Install and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. After installation, go back to the add-ons menu in your document and you will see the newly added tool listed there. Tap on it to access its feature and start using it in your document. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Docs add-ons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.